All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here. Proud to present this beautiful BMW 430i. It is the hardtop convertible with 45,000 miles. It is a 2018. Pretty car. I'm sorry about the glare we're getting here. But pretty car. 45,000 miles. Front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very, very nice. Does it have any curbing? Yes, it does. I'll call it 10 or more just to engulf it all. Let's check out your tires, right? Just over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter looks good. And here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing. I'll say 10 or more to engulf that edge there. Check out your tires, right? Which is over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears or rips. Likewise in your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears or rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. You got power windows, power doors, power mirrors. Let's jump real quick. Turn this car off for you. Push start system. As you can see. Where's the key for this bad boy? I must have it on me. Check it out. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. You got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Of course, you got your Navi system, all that good stuff. You got your AC controls. Does have heated seats, as you can see. Steering controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Any issues in your mileage of 4534. That pretty much completes the tour for in here. Looks good. Does have your little buttons there. You got your backup camera. Let's see. Whoa. That's what that looks like. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Looks good. Keeping it moving. Rear bumper. Very nice. Your rear deck lid looks good. This is what your trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. Of course, your roof is folded up in here. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Does it have some curbing? Yeah, very minimal. Say 10 or more to engulf that one. Tire thread. Over 730 seconds. Have a little ding right there. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Does have some curbing. I'll say 10 or more. Tire thread. Over 730 seconds. Pretty much completes the tour. Folks, once again, the 2018 BMW 430i hardtop convertible with 45,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.